What's up, everyone? Welcome to i2 Future. Today, we're diving into iOS 26 Beta 3, and Apple just dropped some exciting new wallpaper options that you're going to love. So if you've been following the iOS 26 beta releases, you know that previous betas only had one blue version of the default wallpaper. But that changes today with Beta 3. Apple has now given us 4 distinct color variants to choose from, and one of them is absolutely stunning. Let me show you what's new. We've got Shadow, which is this gorgeous dark blue variant. Then there's Sky, which is a lighter, more vibrant blue. Halo gives us a medium blue tone that's really clean. But here's the star of the show, Dusk. This is a brand new purple and pink gradient that looks absolutely incredible. I mean, look at how this catches the light and creates these beautiful color transitions. What's really cool is that these aren't just different versions tied to your system appearance anymore. These are 4 completely separate wallpaper options that you can choose from independently. The Dusk Wallpaper especially stands out because it's such a departure from the usual blue tones we typically see. This purple-pink gradient brings something fresh and modern to iOS. All of these work perfectly with the new liquid glass design aesthetic that Apple introduced with iOS 26. The translucency and glass-like interface elements really complement these wallpapers beautifully. If you're a registered developer, you can download iOS 26 Beta 3 right now through the Software Update section in Settings. Just remember, this is beta software, so make sure you're backing up your device. What do you think about these new wallpaper options? Are you Team Dusk like me, or do you prefer one of the blue variants? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe for more iOS 26 coverage as we get closer to the fall release. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.